How are you today?
Very well.
Okay. So today, are you ready to show me how amazing swimmer you are for the backstroke? Yes?
Sure.
Okay. So remember, the first time you have learned how to float on your back and to relax, and if the water cover your face, what you do with your nose, you blow your nose, okay?
Right.
So the water don't go inside your nose.
Right.
But when you push on the wall, you push slowly and you try to float first, okay?
Okay.
All right. First, we can do this. No need to use your hands, just push on the wall and float slowly.
Okay.
Slowly push, look at the sky, and then float slowly. Kick slowly with your legs and feel you can float. Very good. You can move a bit of your hands one by one. Okay, pull behind. Excellent. Be careful your head. All right. All right. Slowly, slowly. All right, stop. Okay, very good. All right. So two things. If you move, when you push, if you push too up, and after you will fall, the water will go on your face. Then you have a problem. When you swim, it's the same. Try to stay horizontal. Don't go up and down, because that's when the waves will cover your face non-stop, okay? Stay cool horizontal. Then your belly, don't sit in the water. Keep your belly near to the surface, so try to arc a little bit on your back and keep your kick faster. Once this is good, you can start to move your hand if you feel your balance is very horizontal. Okay?
Not before that, huh?
We can do it straightforward, but I want you to feel your balance horizontal first, okay?
Okay.
Slowly, belly higher, kick faster with your knees, feel you're floating, be careful the waves. All right, good. Stop. All right.
Is it okay?
Yeah, I think it's not too bad. How you feel?
Yeah, very good.
Okay, so be careful, huh? The water is close to your face here.
Oh, okay.
That's not what you want. You want, I mean, you want the water to be here and you want to feel comfortable, but what happens if the waves come? Immediately blow your nose. If not, it goes inside and that's painful. We do one more time. When you feel good, you can start to pull inside the water with your hands, okay? All right, let's go. Slowly. Feel you're floating, belly up. Kick, 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 kick. Slowly, 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 slowly. There you go. All right, slowly. Keep your heads outside the water. That's cool. Don't sink your belly. Keep your kicks. All right. Keep going. All right. Not too bad, not too bad. Don't stop, Raj. This is good. Hey, that's pretty cool.
Good.
All right, so for the strokes, you put in the water, you go outside, you have to draw with your hands a very big circle in the sky, as far as possible, until your shoulders go touch your ears. Then you enter the water with your little finger and you pull behind. Pull until your legs get out the pull from your thumb. Twist your hands in the sky, touch your shoulders with your ears, pull in the water, thumb first, twist in the sky, touch. So basically in the sky, you draw a big rainbow until behind you hit the water, okay? Your legs, kick near to the surface with your knees not bending. You are not doing bicycle in the water. Hey, it's cool, huh? So far, no wave on your face. That's the worst. In backstroke, the hardest portion is when you got the water on your nose. Then it's terrible.
Right.
So that's why you go slowly. No waves. And if one comes, blow your nose and keep control. Okay? Slowly, slowly. Now, keep going. That's not too bad. Kick faster. Your knees close to the surface, your feet not too deep. Touch on your ears. Big rainbow in the sky. Big rainbow in the sky. Alternate one by one. All right. How you feel, Raj?
Good, very good.
That was not too hard?
No, it is, but I can manage.
You're the superstar of the day. You can do a bit of backstroke now.
Yeah.
We can swim 3 kilometers. We do the next Ironman together. All right, Raj.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
Thank you.